Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about something that a lot of you have been asking me about recently. How long does it take for a Monese card to arrive? Monese is a great bank account for people who are on the go. They offer a variety of features, including free international transfers, no monthly fees, and a physical debit card. However, one of the things that some people find frustrating is that it can take a while for their Monese card to arrive. In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to get your Monese card as quickly as possible. I'll also talk about what you can do if your card is delayed. Tip 1. Order your card as soon as possible. The sooner you order your card, the sooner it will arrive. You can order your card online or through the Monese app. Tip 2. Provide accurate shipping information. When you order your card, make sure that you provide accurate shipping information. This includes your full name, address, and postal code. Tip 3. Choose the right shipping method. Monese offers a few different shipping methods. The cheapest option is standard shipping, which can take up to 10 days. If you want your card to arrive more quickly, you can choose express shipping, which can take up to 5 days. Tip 4. Track your order. Once you have placed your order, you can track it online or through the Monese app. This will allow you to see the status of your order and get an estimated delivery date. Tip 5. Contact Monese if you have any questions. If you have any questions about your Monese card, you can contact Monese customer support. They are always happy to help. What to do if your card is delayed? If your Monese card is delayed, there are a few things you can do. Check your shipping information to make sure that it is correct. Contact Monese customer support. Be patient. It can sometimes take a while for a Monese card to arrive. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. If you are interested in getting a Monese card, you can sign up for free here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.